If you're a real estate agent, hosting a real estate webinar on social media is a great way to connect with potential clients and showcase your expertise. But what's the best way to ensure that you are getting as many people attending your webinar as possible, you are sharing the best information that is out there, ensuring that your webinar stands out from every other person who's trying to do the same thing? In this video, I'll guide you through how to host a real estate webinar that will not only engage your audience, but also convert them into clients. And the reason that I know this information works is because we hold monthly real estate webinars, and I've come to realize what works and what doesn't work. First, you need to define your webinar topic and goals. Think about what your target audience needs to know. Also, remember to think through what do you hope to achieve with your webinar. For instance, if you're a seller agent, you can work on topics like how to sell a property quickly, how to get a valuation report, how to stage your home, or such topic that sellers would be interested in. On the other hand, if you're a buyer's agent, you can offer webinars on topic like how to get pre-approved for a mortgage or what to look out whenever you are viewing a home. Once your topic is clear, it's time to plan and prepare your content. If you're a buyer's agent, you can offer webinars on topics like how to get pre-approved for a mortgage or what to do during the home viewing. Once your topic is clear, it's time to plan and prepare your content. This is where you turn the ideas that are in your head into actionable information that will be easy to understand. Think about breaking down real estate topics with videos, photos, and illustration. Whether you are using a PowerPoint, make sure that whatever you are speaking about, you can use photos, graphic, and illustrations to be able to showcase some of that. And make sure as you plan your content, you incorporate a few success stories or practical advice. And this practical advice makes sure that anyone attending will have valuable takeaways from the website. Now that you have your content mapped out, your PowerPoint is ready, any giveaway materials is ready before the seminar, you'll need to identify the best way to promote your webinar. Knowing where your audience spends their time is very important. Whether they spend most of their time on social media, whether they attend in-person events, or they love reading emails, you need to understand where they spend their time so that as you think of promoting the webinar, you know where they really are and how to find them. For us, we conduct monthly real estate webinars, so click on the link in the description and we shall notify you whenever we have upcoming webinars. Back to the topic. Before you go live, be sure to rehearse thoroughly. Practice is very key to ensuring that your delivery is good. This includes mastering first the tech side, making sure that you understand this is where the buttons are, this is where I will click, making sure that the sound quality is good. So make sure you practice beforehand. Also, practice answering questions beforehand so that in case these questions come during the webinar, you're already prepared with ready-made answers. Now, during the webinar, engage with your audience by answering any questions that come up and encouraging a conversation. There are different ways that you could encourage conversation by stopping, asking them if they are following so far, asking them to ask questions. So that's one way you can encourage conversation. Now, this interaction during this Q&A not only strengthens the relationship, but shows that you're invested in helping your viewers get the best result. Now, after the webinar ends, do not let the content that you have just sit idle. If you recorded the video or you recorded the audio, repurpose it for future engagement. You can turn the audio to an audio podcast. You can also convert the webinar content to several short form videos. Alternatively, you can use the same content to create a blog. And what this does is that it helps you increase the return on the effort that you had made. Remember, always analyze your webinar's performance. How did it do in terms of engagement or even achieving your goals? Reviewing the results will show you what worked and what didn't so that you can use this feedback to inform future webinars. And if you need help to schedule your next seminar, your next webinar, give us a call and we have a team of assistants who have experience in doing this for us, and they can bring the same skills to support you schedule your next webinar.